In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Meta AI history. If you use Meta AI on the web and want to clean up old conversations, remove specific chats, or reset what the AI remembers about you, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in a simple and organized way. First, go to the Meta AI website. Once you're there, sign in using your Meta, Facebook, or Instagram account, whichever you normally use to access Meta AI. After logging in, look toward the left sidebar, where your conversation history is usually listed. Find the conversation you want to remove. When you see the chat, hover your mouse over it. This should reveal additional options. Click the three dots next to that conversation, then choose Delete. After that, confirm the deletion when prompted. Once confirmed, that specific conversation will be removed from your Meta AI history on the web. If you want to delete more than one chat, you'll need to repeat that same process for each conversation individually. At the moment, Meta AI allows chat deletion one conversation at a time from the history list, so there isn't currently a bulk delete option from that main chat sidebar. Now, if your goal is not just to remove the visible chat, but also to make Meta AI forget information you've previously shared, there's a separate reset option. Open a Meta AI chat, type /reset-AI, and send the message. This tells Meta AI to clear the stored conversation context and save details associated with that AI interaction. If you want to reset all AI conversations across a Meta platform, type /reset-all-AIs, then send it. This can remove the AI's stored memory and context, but keep in mind that your visible chat history may still stay in place until you manually delete those chats from the history list. There's also an alternative method through settings on the Meta AI website. Click your profile name in the lower left corner, then open settings. From there, look for options such as delete history or download and delete your information if those options are available on your account. The exact wording can vary, so just look for anything related to history or stored information. One important thing to remember is that deleting chats on the Meta AI website does not automatically remove Meta AI conversations from Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook. If you've used Meta AI on those platforms, those conversations may need to be deleted separately. Also, removing a chat from Meta AI history only deletes that conversation from the AI history itself. It does not affect anything you may have posted publicly elsewhere. And that's how to delete your Meta AI history.